This is that nasty little surprise we got at the back of Chewy on the last video. But there's no point sitting around fretting about it. Let's get it cleaned back, tidy it up and get some new metal in there. You can see what we're dealing with here now anyway. It's a complicated enough shape this, so I'll use a piece of paper to try and plan it. Something like that. So this area is hidden by the bumper mostly, so it doesn't have to be too pretty. Just want to put the structure back into it and prevent water ingress in this area. I get a rough panel shape out of this. Okay, I think we're close enough with that. I'm going to scribe around it. So what I'll do with this now is I'll put in a few little spot welds and I'll work my way around levering and pressing it to form it more into the shape and to get a good joint between the car and the repair panel. So I blew a bit of a hole in it because I started a bit too hot, of course. Now, let's see, because it's kind of going in there, if I can get that out, then I can easily push it in again in a second. So, get my next one there. Okay, welded that one there. Now, push it in here. Perfect. Okay, so I'm just kind of working my way around then. That's my favourite little hammer. This one since I started welding. So that corner there will be good next. Right, I can take this away now. So because I have that welded there and here, now I can tap this to follow the form there of that depression. As you can see, I've done my little spot welds all the way around. Now I just need to weld in between those, join it all up, and Chewie will have a new rear corner. I've joined up all those welds and I'm quite happy how that's turned out. I'll tidy them up now with the flap wheel on the grinder. That's tidy enough now for something that's going to be hidden away under the bumper. It's a very solid repair, so happy days. I'll put a little bit of filler just along the welds just to tidy it up in case anyone gives it a really close look. I'm going to drill this, and when I'm doing a cavity wax treatment on the sill, I'll also do this here, so the inside of this will be preserved then as well.